Hey guys, today we're going to take a quick look at the standard algorithm for division. So let's say you got a division problem and you're pretty strong with your basic math facts. I'm going to show you how to solve it. Let's do 463 divided by 5. So what we're looking at is we have 463 of something, 463 students, 463 toys, and we have to put them into 5 groups, 5 classrooms, 5 boxes. We have to break it up into 5 equal groups. So the first thing we want to do is we want to look in our hundreds column and we want to think, can 400 be divided evenly by 5? And it doesn't work out. So what I like to do is I like to put either a 0 or an X to show that 5 will not go into 4 evenly. So it's 0, or you can put an X there to just blank it all out. Next, what we have to do is we have to look at our, instead of 400, we're looking at our 46 tens, or our 460 there. So how many times does 5 go into 46 evenly? And you want to get as close to the number as possible without going over. So I do know that 5 will go into 45, and that goes in 9 times. So I put my 9 up there. So now I've taken 9 groups of 5, and I want to get rid of them or get them out. So I do 9 times 5, which is actually 45, and then I subtract to find the difference, and that's going to give me 1. Now that I've done this, I want to see what's left over. So I have a 1 in my tens column here, and I have 3 ones that are left over. So I bring my 3 down to show that I have a total of 13 left over. So I've already taken some out, and now I have 13 left over. I want to see how many times 5 will go into 13. So I do 5 into 13, and it does go in 2 times. So I put my 2 up there. 2 times 5 is going to give me 10. Again, I subtract to find out my what's left over, which is 3. And now that I see I got no place value positions left, 5 will not go into 3 because 3 is smaller than 5, and I can't distribute it evenly. So I'm going to circle that, and that becomes my remainder. So my answer is 92 with a remainder of 3. And our 0 here is just a placeholder so that we know that 5 did not go into 4 at all. And then everything else, all my place value positions line up nice and neat, and I have my remainder of 3. And that's the standard algorithm.